Greetings from the Freedom Wellbeing Institute. My name is Susan Stevenson. The purpose of this meditation is to focus and calm your mind so that you can achieve a state of relaxation. This meditation is designed to heal and restore your universal well-being. Relaxation, nutrition, and quality sleep accelerate healing. At the end of this meditation, you may choose to drift off to sleep or to return slowly to your day. I invite you to sit or lie in a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. You may choose to place a pillow behind your head and another one under your knees for support. I encourage you to close your eyes now and begin to focus on your breath. Feel the air being drawn in through your nose and then breathed out. Place your hands on your rib cage. Notice how when you breathe in, your chest lifts and then broadens out your stomach. Each time you breathe in, you bring nourishing oxygen to each and every one of your cells, and this helps them to repair, regenerate, and restore themselves. Notice when you breathe out how your stomach softens, your chest lowers, and you breathe out air your body no longer needs. When you breathe out, substances leave your body that it no longer needs for your healing journey. While a medical practitioner may assist you to heal, remember it is your body that performs the healing work. Your body is designed to heal with rest, nourishment, and relaxation. As you relax and breathe in your normal rhythm, become aware of your body healing. Scan from your toes up. Notice your toes and feet relaxing. Notice your calves and knees relaxing. Notice your thighs and hips relaxing and resting. Notice your stomach, which has been processing foods and the liquids you have eaten and converting them into the nourishment your body needs to heal. It also works to send out waste, just like your breaths out. Feel your nose, throat, and lung muscles extending and contracting to process your breath and to transport oxygen to your muscles and organs. Then notice how you breathe away the products that your body no longer needs. Feel your arms and hands resting and relaxing after supporting you to eat, work, play, and greet others. Notice in your relaxed and resting state how the muscles on your face soften. If you notice distracting thoughts entering your mind, imagine that each is there to aid your healing. Convert them into ways you can support your body and mind to heal and rest. Can a troublesome thought change into a thought of nourishing food? Now begin to slow your breath down. Let your breaths out be longer than your breaths in. Give yourself time to fully and smoothly breathe out. Then breathe in again to nourish your body and supply the oxygen it needs. Know that healing is helped by talking to friends, physical activity, good nutrition, learning new information and skills, and getting to know about yourself and your history. It's also about allowing yourself to feel emotions and understand their messages to you. Those messages are designed to help you heal, as well as to support you and build your awareness of your underlying beliefs and values. Notice how incredible your body is. Consider how you might better support your whole self and your universal well-being. Breathe in fully and then breathe out fully and slowly. Know that the oxygen that comes in with each breath is providing nourishment and energy to each one of your cells. Know that healing is more than just ridding your body of physical disease. Healing also involves our mind. If we have experienced sad or troubling experiences, these may have placed a load on our body and mind. Our body and mind will need time and care from us to recover. As you relax and breathe in and out, check through each part of your body. Consider how is each part feeling today. Has it got a message for you? Does it need something? Do your toes and feet have a particular feeling today? Do your calves and knees have a message for you? Do your thighs and hips need something? What about your stomach and your chest? Do they have a message for you? How about your arms and hands? How are they feeling today. And now to your neck and to your face. Relax them and listen to them. Does your mind need something? Resting allows the healing to begin and will support you to function better, to feel positive and confident. Now, as you breathe out, feel yourself calm, relaxed, and peaceful. In your mind, you can see the cells in your body healing. This meditation is creating a space where your cells have nothing to do but to support you and to heal and restore. Hear your breath moving in and out. Consider the sounds you can hear. Are there pleasant sounds you could give yourself to support your healing journey? Can you in your mind see beautiful sights, lovely colours and textures that are restorative to your soul? Can you smell special scents that take you on a pleasant journey, if only for a moment? And can you taste delicious and nutritious foods that your body is calling for to help your mind and body heal? As you relax, your body will begin to feel heavy and grounded. Feel your body resting on the surface beneath you. Feel your body nestling into that surface and feeling supported. Take the time to consider any special parts of your body that might be working hard to heal and recover. As you sink more deeply into the surface you are resting on, breathe softly and rhythmically. Contemplate how each part of your body is feeling. Now consider what each of those body parts might need. Consider how you might support your body and mind to heal. Be still. Rest. Relax. If you would like to drift off to sleep, just stop this meditation now. If you would like to return to your day, do so gradually. Begin by wriggling your toes and fingers. Then gently begin to move your arms and then your legs. Take a full body stretch. Stretch from your toes to the very tip of your fingers above your head. Now begin to soften and relax. Gradually open your eyes and begin to look around you at what is in the space you are occupying. Gradually begin to get up and return to your day. I thank you for joining this meditation for healing and the restoration of your universal well-being. I hope you will take the time to, in a caring way, consider what your body and mind need, and that you will provide the peace, space, silence, and comfort to enjoy those supports to your healing. Enjoy your sleep or day. Happy healing.